Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with seated sun salutations. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating this sequence once more. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward, stretching through your back body. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer, and release. Moving into a gentle hip opener. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your spine long, breathing wide into your right outer hip. Lift your torso to upright. Keep your right foot where it is, adding a twist. Use your left hand to gently draw your right leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, reaching your right arm back and open to the right, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer thigh and hip. Unwind and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases. Slowly lift your torso to upright. Keep your left foot where it is, adding a twist. Use your right hand to draw your left knee in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your left arm back and open to the left, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer thigh and hip. Slowly unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.